Hello everyone, welcome to page Banti Min Cherais. I am Sairong. This is the second video of lesson 33, which is about children and the playground. In this short video, we will learn 5 words together. So let's get started. First, game. Game. Example, there are many games we can play. There are many games we can play. Second, swing. Swing. Example, the students like to play on the swing. The students like to play on the swing. Third, playground. Playground. Example, playground is the place for kids. Playground is the place for kids. Fourth, chase. Chase. Example, the cat chased the mouse. The cat chased the mouse. Fifth, slide. Slide. Example, the children like to play on the slide. The children like to play on the slide. Please review together with me. First, game. Game. Second, swing. Swing. Third, playground. Playground. Fourth, chase. Chase. Fifth, slide. Slide. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. That is all for today. If you want to know more about this lesson, please click the link and watch the full video. See you in the next video. God bless you. Bye bye.